Okay, let's talk about the general rules for making capital investment decisions. The important thing to remember here is that we're going to go over each one of these in depth coming up. This is just an overview of the section. So, cash flows matter, not accounting income. Accounting income and cash flow we've talked about several times, most notably about the iPhone and how the iPhone doesn't give Apple 100% of its cash up front. Obviously, you're paying it over time through your phone bill because you're charged $99 for a phone, but it's actually an $800 phone. So there's definitely a difference in the cash flow coming into Apple. Sunk costs don't matter. Sunk costs don't matter because you've already spent the money, and now the question is, will you continue to go forward? Incremental cash flows are what does matter. So cash flow that was existing doesn't count. Opportunities cost matter. So if you have the opportunity to use the either the equipment or the space or something for something else, that is a cost that you're giving up. That you need to put into the project. Side effects like synergy, cannibalism, and erosion matter. Quick example, obviously, iPhone 4 and iPhone 5. iPhone 5 is going to cannibalize iPhone 4, and so the iPhone 5 numbers have to be significant enough to make sure it's worthy of cannibalizing iPhone 4. Otherwise, you should just keep building iPhone 4. That would be a decision there. Taxes matter. We want to use the incremental after-tax cash flows. So it's after-tax that we care about, and the incremental, which means it's additional to what the company would do without the project. And inflation matters, of course. Some of these projects go on for years, especially we're going to do one in pharmaceuticals, and pharmaceuticals can go on for a number of years while they're in trials, and then if they slip back a trial, it can go on for years and years. And of course, inflation over time is going to erode some of the costs. So we have to be thinking about inflation and including it where appropriate as well. So there's quite a few here. What's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? There's 7 bullet points here. We're going to cover each one in depth right now.